How to add affiliate links to TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, the only way that you can add affiliate links on TikTok is to put them on your profile page right here. However, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that until you reach a 1000 followers, your links will not be clickable and you will only be able to add them on your bio instead of the specific link feature. Let me show you right here. Let me just get my affiliate link, this one right here, and let's click to add it to our bio since I don't have 1000 follower. And as you can see, the link is not clickable. However, until you reach that 1000 followers milestone, make sure to add your link, as that there are some people that usually just copy the link and paste it on their browser. So you might still get some benefits out of it until you reach that 1000 followers, which is not hard at all on TikTok. So that was it for this video. That's how you can put affiliate links on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.